JJ stole the cookies from the cookie jar.
Who, me?
Yes, you.
Who couldn't be?
Then who?
Who stole the cookies from the cookie jar? He said he done.
A week.
All right.
Hey, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. To my channel.
Welcome to my channel.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome.
If you have not already, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to this channel. Thank y'all so much for tuning in. If you're new here, welcome. If you are not, welcome back. Period. All right, y'all. Hang out with us for this evening. I'm getting ready to, of course, do some laundry because laundry never stops, ever, with this family. So I'm about to fold up some laundry. I got some loads to switch over, which I actually think Petey and her probably checking on right now. We're going to eat some dinner. We're going to put this kid in the bath and then in the bed. Clock that much. And so, yeah, I think tonight my husband getting ready to make some quesadillas, rice. And what else, babe? Okay, thank you. And broccoli, because I do not like no nasty old mashed potato beans. You know, no shade to the culture. No shade to the culture. You know, if you rock with it, you rock with it. A lot of people like refried beans, so no shade, no tea to my cousins on that side. But I don't really like them. So, we about to do that. I'm about to take y'all along with me. You already know I'm about to prop y'all up somewhere so y'all can just chill with the family. Thinky, you want to come say hi?
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hi.
I missed you so much. My baby been at school all day today. I just miss him. So if y'all don't know already, my husband is the cook of the family right now. So I will be taking y'all on the journey of Chris learning how to cook as the wife and the mother of this and the matriarch of this Johnson family. I will be taking y'all along. Y'all saw my man? Or did I put my big old head in there?
You put your big old head in there.
Boy, this is why I have to be going off on somebody's son every day. Somebody else's son and my son. And the somebody else is my mama, Diane Barr. So let's not even do that. Like she's just a somebody, because that's my homegirl. I love her. Love my mama down.
Yeah.
All right, 1 second. Let me put some more clothes in the thing.
Okay, there go my man.
What up, people?
And that's my boo. That's my husband. I love that man down. All right, y'all. I'm going to see y'all in the next clip.
Hi.
Hi. What's your name?
Okay.
Vontae?
Yeah.
Oh. You look like your name, Vontae, with that hood on. Take that hood off. You looking a little too gangster. So. I want my hood on. Okay. Mommy, sorry for mocking you. You hear that, JJ?
Because your daddy don't play.
No matter how big you get.
Yes, I hear that.
Period.
Because your daddy don't play.
Period.
You
I'll see y'all in the next clip. What you doing? You eating your food? What you eating?
Chicken nuggets.
Chicken nuggets? You ate them all?
Yeah.
Big boy. You watching SpongeBob? Chicken nuggets right where?
In my mouth.
In your mouth? You got french fries and fruit cup?
Yeah.
What is it called? What kind of strawberry shortcake?
Yeah.
That's too greedy.
On a honey bun, my boy.
That's way too greedy. Y'all, look how beautiful it is. Look at nature. Listen. Gorgeous. Just gorgeous. All right, y'all. I am done folding laundry, so I'm getting ready to close this video out. Thank y'all so much for kicking it with me while I did some little tidying up around the house. I be loving when y'all just be kicking it, just be chilling with me. Thank you so much. If you like this video, please make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Share it with a friend because that be helping your girl out, and I really do appreciate it. I love y'all so much. I'm going to see y'all in the next video. Bye. See y'all.